Good morning, guys. New day. Today is Tuesday, 8th of October 2024. Uh, Beautiful day in this morning. We have very nice levels on all three pairs. We have the Asia high and Asia low still there. So I think we will have some trades today. Um, at the moment, only ES and Nasdaq touch the Asia low, and I'm waiting for a setup there. As you can see now, I have a setup. Let's put a limit order there. Okay. Right. 10, no, 18. Yes. Let's put a limit order there. Let's also check ES. Yes, we have market structure shift on all the pairs. How are you doing today, guys? Morning, Adriana. Good morning. So that look like a good setup. Um, the high probability setup in this morning, it will be when you see the Asia high. I'm waiting for a swipe for the Asia high to go lower. But also here I will go long from this limit because also there we have relative equal lows there and the Asia low. So I'm waiting for an entry. Look at the reaction from there. Um, it's too risk reward, not a big deal, but let's see. All right. Uh, Upside, we don't have any 15 minutes fair value gap or 1 hour or something like that. Not a 5 minutes, nothing. So the price should go up now, but I think it's gonna go without me. Oh my god! Look at that! Look at the displacement from there. Mm, let's put a fib. So the fair value gap from the discount zone is that one and that one. Okay, I will stick with the initial plan for a better entry, and I will wait the price to go in that fair value gap. What do you think? And also, uh, welcome to the stream. Three people already. That's good. If we check the bigger time frame, we see 15 minutes close above. So beautiful reaction from that level. 5 minutes also, and 1 minute also. So this looks like a high probability setup for me. Yes, I know the bias is bearish, but this setup looks good. Uh, I expect the price to jump now from that fair value gap without me and straight to the take profit, but let's wait. So no liquidity swipe on the left. I know only the first fair value gap in this leg, which is very dangerous, but this looks like a good setup in my opinion. But I think it's gonna jump from one of these fair value gaps without me. You know that I usually like to take the first fair value gap, but let's wait. Okay, we have a swipe on the ES on the left, but still not a big deal. If this one is going to the take profit, I will close my buy limit. Let me put this one a little bit below there. Yes, exactly. And good. So that was the market structure shift. I'm waiting for this fair value gap to be filled. It's a bullish fair value gap there. And let's wait. It is possible for the price to jump from that fair value gap because I told you that fair value gap is also in the discount zone. So in this leg, that fair value gap it's in the discount zone. So it is possible to jump now from there, but maybe we will be tagged also from our fair value gap. Okay, I have a reaction from the second fair value gap, which I don't like it. I hope that our fair value gap it will be tagged as well. I'm also watching gold on my phone, so because we have also we have good levels on gold as well, but gold is still in the middle of the Asian range, so it's good. I hope we're gonna have a swipe on the upside. in the London session, so after 3 EM. Okay, so our trade at the moment is not moving, still waiting uh, for that fair value gap to be filled. Okay, so we are below the New York midnight open, which is good. Beautiful swipe there. Asia low. So this looks like an A plus setup. So let's wait. We can see that we have some consolidation there. Maybe now we have a swipe of that consolidation and also touch our fair value gap. No, it's going. No, I think it's going without us. How is ES? I need to do something with my internet connection. I have to bring my wireless close to my laptop. I like this consolidation. I hope we will go up, but first let's swipe that liquidity there and there go up. Not now. Okay, so it's going up without us, which is not good. Now I like more the setup because if this one is going down to tag us, now we have a lot of equal highs up, and the price I think it will go straight to the take profit. But let's wait. Let's wait. Don't go without us. Now it's waiting for the London Open. I know that. I can feel that. So another 40 minutes until the London Open. Oh my God, it's going up without us. Oh my, look at gold. I didn't expect that, to be honest. You see, there is a first fair value gap from that leg. Look at the reaction. Absolutely crazy. I thought that we were gonna swipe the Asia high and after that go lower. Not now. Kill still not tagged in that fair value gap. Still waiting. Let's see the 5 minute. Okay, we have a kinda microstructure shift also on 5 minutes on ES. By the way, ugly price section on the 5 minutes. This still looks bullish. Uh, we don't have another bullish fair value gap. So this is still a high probability setup. So let's wait, baby. Okay, I have a push to the downside. Come on, you can do more. We don't have SMT at the moment, so it's good. This looks exactly like a perfect market structure shifter. I like the wick. I like that the candle, it's a bullish candle, you see, close above, open there, close there. So I still expect that price it will go and touch that breaker. So in my opinion, price should go below that fair value gap. That's why I put my entry there and not in that fair value gap because uh, the price it's possible to go there. Now also let's wait for the 1 hour candle to close. So another 9 minutes. Come on, boy, you can do it. DXY in a consolidation and is going up. Maybe this is our time to go down. Gold, oh my god. You, I waited this morning for gold to swipe that high on the Asia and after go lower. But look at this. Look at this boy. Nasdaq looks beautiful. You see? Higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, lower high. You see? We change the structure. So high, 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 low, lower high, lower low, lower high, higher low. Oh my god, so it went up without us, guys. So unfortunately, we are not tagged in this setup. Now it's 252 and we have this volume because of the macro open at 250 and close at 310, so we'll see some volume in those 20 minutes. That's why we have that push, but I will hope that the push is gonna be to the downside to tag us also in that fair value gaps. Okay, we have some equal highs on the ES. Let's wait, we still have time. Okay, still have time. We still have time, boy. In yes, so in the next 5 minutes at 3 o'clock, so there we'll see the London open. So maybe we'll see a tag in that fair value gap. So still waiting. Okay, yes, swipe those two highs. No, this one is too strong. This boy is going up for the Asia high. Believe me. Still have my limit here on Nasdaq. Uh, I'm not tagged in this trade. I'm only waiting. We have a beautiful displacement. market structure shift. I know that this fair value gap is also in the discount zone, but hmm, no, I like only the first fair value gap all the time, because also there we have the breaker. So let's see what happened. So today is uh, 8 month 10 2024. My fair value gap is at 229. Okay, so 229 on NQ. It's an A plus setup. Okay, and I'm waiting for the results. It's an A plus setup, baby. I don't like gold because it's going down without me. I was waiting for that high to be swiped and after that make a setup and go lower. What is this shit? Anyway, I will go long also if we will swipe the Asia low and also that low. The final target I know is this level, but I will still go long from there because we have Asia and also there is the yesterday low. Okay, Nasdaq doesn't want to fill order, our limit order. Still waiting. We still have some equal lows there as you can see, which in my opinion we should go down, swipe all the liquidity there, fill the limit order, touch the fair value gap, touch also the breaker, and go straight up. Okay, now we almost close the 1 hour candle, and okay, London is open. We have a fair value gap there. Let's see if we will go up to the downside first. Okay, come on, a little bit more. Okay, so we are in the trade now. I want to see a push to the upside. Come on, man, you can do it. Okay, now we have a push on the breaker. going down. Okay, so we have the stop loss in our first trade from today. Not good, not good. What was the problem? Okay, so let's note the trade. So the problem, in my opinion, was uh, one, the trend is bearish, as you can see. Uh, Also, yeah, I think, in my opinion, that's the only problem because uh, the enter was at 3 o'clock, exactly when the London opened. So, how can I open my messages? One second. Okay, so ugly stop loss in this morning, which I didn't like it. The trade was high probability setup. We had equal lows there, Asia low, market started shift, beautiful displacement to the upside. Mhm. But the volatility from London Open pushed the price to the downside. So yeah, I noted one stop loss. Yes. For example, now on the gold, you see, we have a push to the downside. Yes, it's going for that level. Let me delete that. The high probability setup on gold is if we swipe the Asia high. Okay, after that swipe we are going up, and also we have an SMT there, I think. Yes, so an SMT on nasdaq with ES. In this moment the account is $610 in profit only, so not too much. Ugly move here from nasdaq, in my opinion. Took the stop loss with one tick. What's that, man? What is this? But the push was so strong. Look at that, the 1 hour candle. That looks so bullish, in my opinion. 15 minutes, okay? 5 minutes. Okay, also 1 minute. Yeah, so this this here was a ugly move for the from Nasdaq. So let's move on. Okay, let's move on. So gold touched the final level there. We have one more at 2646.1. Let's see the reaction now from that level. Okay, this motherfucker is going now up without us. I'm still waiting. Maybe we'll have a setup now. Let's see. Very ugly move from Nasdaq there. Look at that now. Absolutely shitty move. Yeah, this one is going without me now. Okay, I have a limit order there, but I think it's too far away. I don't know if Nasdaq is going back in that small fair value gap. Um, but also there is the breaker and the order block. Eight, eight, I think is good. Uh, but I think there we are in 1 second. I don't want to do something stupid. Yes, so that fair value gap it's in premium. Let me delete that one. I need that one. How? Oh my god! Look at ES. Look at ES. Okay, I'll go from that fair value gap, and I will target the Asia the Asia high. Let me put that on there. Create a limit order 8. Okay. Because now I think we have the fair value gap in the no, still not. Let's see. We also have the SMT. In my opinion, I thought that this was the move. You see, not this. Now, also we have an inversion fair value gap there. So let's wait. Now, going back. It's going back. Okay, we also have the fair value gap. You see, when you don't respect the rules, normal that should be the entry, not there. So if this one is going to stop loss, I will stop trying to take a long position on nasdaq, because overall the bias is bearish. So this is kind of risky trade now, because the bias, as I told you, it's bearish. But I still think that we will go to the Asia high and after that go lower. So in my mind, I'm trying to catch this move to the upside and also sell to the downside. But let's see. If not, I will take the stop loss and that's it. No problem. And I will wait for the Asia high to be swept. But this doesn't look very bullish. Let's check ES. Yes, also ES doesn't look alright. Swept all the liquidity from there and move lower. So doesn't look like a good setup. But doesn't matter, it's just a challenge account and we are still in profit overall. So let's wait. Okay. How is gold? Okay, crazy move after touch that low. Still wait for gold to go there, and after that I'll go short. This one is going to stop loss, which is not good. Okay, we have a touch of that order block, but still doesn't look bullish, because there we had 1, 2, 3 fair value gaps, and this is the most strongest one. So after that touch, you see that fair value gap there, we should go straight to the take profit, not start dancing like that, you see. So I still think this is going to stop loss. But as I told you, it's not the funded account, it's only the challenge account, so it's alright. Yep. So as I can see on ES, I think we are going for the stop loss, because, oh no, actually the DXY is going down, I think. What do you think, guys? It's a really risky trade, isn't it? Yes, so I didn't respect my initial rule. So overall, we are bearish, right? We can see that we are bearish. So the plan for this morning is to wait. Okay, so stop loss hit, no problem. So the plan for today is to wait for the Asia high to be swept and after that go down. But I thought that, you see, we had there one displacement, swipe again, and now another beautiful displacement. But this challenge I think is still at 0, so no minus. Yes, okay, so we are still in profit, which is good. It's just a stop loss, no problemos, move on. And oh, I forgot to let me copy the link and paste it there in my Google Sheets, because I like to keep some records about my mistakes, and also I like to take a bigger picture with, from a bigger time frame, to compare the smaller time frame and the bigger time frame. Okay, so this is still dancing here. One touch, two, three, so the third touch already, and nothing happened. So the entry fair value gap was 308. I like to keep a record on my magic notebook with my wins and my losses. So I want to note this loss, and I want to write that was an emotional trade. You know why? Because the bias, as I told you, it's bearish, and I try to catch the pullback, the reverse, no, which is not good. But we still have time, another 1 hour and 40 minutes to catch. Let me close this tab to catch a reverse. How are you in this morning, guys? So this was in MQ, right? And we had a loss there. Okay, so the initial plan, let's wait. Let's wait for gold to swipe the Asia high, NQ swipe the Asia high, ES swipe the Asia high, right? Good. Okay, we are 3 people, I think. No, 4. Welcome, welcome to the stream, guys, and don't forget to like the stream and subscribe. I want to show you everything. I'm very transparent. Sometimes we lose when we don't stick to the rules. I told you yesterday I still have some problems with my psychology because the overall the trading strategy is really good. In this example, you see we have both levels there, and we didn't stick to the rule. Oh, hey you, welcome. Good morning, man. How are you? How are you, bro? Any trades today? You? Oh my God, that's crazy because I know a guy from my country who in this moment he's trying to turn $50, yes, only $50 in 500k, $500,000, and in this moment he's at 100k, $100,000. So it's almost the same like your guy from 100 to 1 million, and my guy from $50 to 500k. Not trading yet. I had a stop loss there a few minutes ago because I didn't stick to the rules. And also there I had some progress with that fair value gap. You see, didn't touch the low of the day on ES, but on Nasdaq we had another lower low there, and I thought that we have SMT, we have fair value gaps, breakers, we have everything, but no, the price still going down. That YouTuber is currently at 200k or 300k. Oh my God. Yes, I don't know how they can do like that. My guy from my country, he started the challenge 2 months ago, and in 2 months from $50, he have now 100k. Yes, so this he tried to show to people that he will never be poor in his life again. So looks like a great challenge. This one and also this one was a very dirty move from AQ. I know that a lot of people enter long there and there, but price still going down after that swipe. You see here and start to go down. We don't have a market structureship. We have a fair value gap, but no, it's not mitigated. The price went straight to the downside. It's so crazy how you can make that much money. Yes, I know. You see, I try to make money to win something like 2% from my account every month, but sometimes it's crazy. It's hard, you know. And these people, uh, they double the whole account in 1 week. Like this guy, first week he had $50. After that, 100, 200, 400, 800. You understand? And now 100k and your guy 2 or 300k. It's absolutely crazy, man. Yes, yes. To be honest with you, this is kind of gambling. You cannot switch something like that. But they are really, really good in what they are doing, and they have already they had a lot of money, or in their bank account, and they can do things like that. Me, for example, I cannot do things like that to play with my money. Yes, exactly. Yes, double or triple the account. But yes, that's absolutely crazy. Uh, Guys, don't forget that tomorrow we have the FOMC. After that, CPI Thursday, and Friday the PPI, and also Monday is bank holiday. So I think that I will start trading Tuesday again. Mm, but I don't know, because those days are really problematic days for me. And also on Monday with the bank holiday, we don't have volume, which I don't like it. Okay, another push to the upside now. What do you think? Try to catch again the move? Hmm? Okay, let's do it for the stream. Okay, 9. Let's put a buy limit there, because this is just the challenge account, and we are a little bit in profit, so another small loss, it's not gonna be a problem. Okay, I'm targeting that high, as you can see. You, where are you from, man? Okay, I'm not tagged in this moment, uh, but the setup looks beautiful in my opinion. I have the market structure shift there, and it's going up. It's going up without me. Ah, you are from Morocco. Great. I never been there, but I know that your country is very beautiful, and I really want to visit the Morocco with my wife. I know it's really beautiful, and architecture is very old, and I like this kind of countries. I really want to make a visit there. And I saw that the people from your country are really good and honest people. I know that they like to invite people in their house or in their shop or things like that. I saw a video one day with a guy. He make a vlog in Morocco, and he show how good the people are there. They are trying to give you anything. I don't know. And yes, I think so. I like it. Okay, so we are in that fair value gap. We are still in that fair value gap, and that can make some problems for us, but doesn't matter. Yeah, actually, all the Arabic people are like that, and it's good. Yes, I know. And also Turkish people. I have some Turkish friends, and they are uh, very good. I like to travel a lot, and I like people usually from another cultures. You know, I like to learn from other cultures. Also, I like to when people are coming in my country because, for example, the food from my country it's very good, and people from other countries they like to come in my country to taste the food. But I think in your country also you have a lot of great food. Oh my God, it's going without me. Look at that. So first try didn't work. Second try didn't work, and now it's going without us. It wants to go there to the Asia high, and it's not a bad thing. Maybe I will have a short from there if this one still want to go up. On the 5 minutes, if this one will close above, we can have a setup on the 5 minutes. But I think that on the 5 minutes, the yes, the risk reward is horrible. Not not even one. So no, it's a no for me. Okay, you have a swipe there. My laptop battery is charging or what? Uh, one moment, guys. Someone is calling me. Sorry, guys. Yes, in my opinion, you see, because uh, overall we are bearish. You see, let's take the 15 minutes. So we are bearish, and it wants to go. You see, there we have a lot of liquidity, and I think it wants to go there and after drop down. But also, don't forget that there we have a lot of liquidity, so it can easily go only there, swipe the liquidity, and after that go down. Let me delete this buy limit because now it's too high, and also that, and also that. Let's also check gold. So gold looks absolutely horrible. Also gold, if you go to 15 minutes, the Asia high and the today high looks relatively equal highs, you see, and with the second high it's lower, which is better. So I expect in the London session or in the New York morning session to go to swipe also that high, and after that push lower, because on the bigger time frame on gold we have low there, and that can be a good target for us. Today I had you know, when I don't follow my rules, every time I lose, which is crazy. Today I have a small stop loss there and another one there, because and now it's going without me. But in the morning when I open the stream, I said I'm waiting for the Asia high to be swiped, and after that I will go lower. So I want to make a new rule from today. If my bias is bearish, I will mark only the Asia high. I don't care about the Asia low. I will mark only the Asia high. I don't because if I mark also the Asia low, this will distract me, and uh, earlier I lose money. But overall, the account is still in profit, which is good. So the most powerful thing in the market, I think, is liquidity graph, and I think right. Yes, in news, you said about news. News for me, it's like gambling. You know, people are waiting, put their limit, and they don't know what they are doing. They put something like that. You know, but the price can easily go down, take the stop loss, and after that go to the take profit, and which is too late. I don't like news trading. Um, yes, exactly. But I know people which they are trading against the market. For example, let me show you. You see, I have that high now is going there, and people are going long. I don't know, maybe until the middle of that leg. And now I know that a lot of people enter there again long. You see, but I like to go with overall with the market. This is the market maker move for price to want to go down, need to swipe some liquidity for the upside, and after that, I want to go lower. Yes, exactly. Usually, not all the news. The only risky news are the FOMC, CPI, and PPI, and also uh, the NFP. What is the NFP? I don't know what I did. October, Sunday, Friday. NF, this one, the non-farm employment change or non-farm payroll. Only this news. Don't trade those news. Okay, you see, not only one reverse. So if you look, stay behind and you look, we have a big consolidation. Yeah, this is still a consolidation in my mind. After that, we have the manipulation here to the upside, and after that, we will have the distribution to the downside. But I'm sad, because I lost there. I put my stop loss like that, and I was the liquidity myself. Was the liquidity? You see, small small touch there and took me out because I knew that the price is gonna go to the Asia high. But that's it. This is the trading, guys. Now sometimes we take also stop losses. There are two types of trades, in my opinion. When you know that the price, and you think that the price is going to one level, for example, there, I know that in my mind, and I, I thought and I think that the price is gonna go to the Asia high, but we don't have an A plus setup because this was not with the trend, to go long. This was not with the bias. So this is an emotional trade. And also we have another type of trades when we go with the bias and we have all the rules and we have a plus setup. That we need to take only A plus setup because we don't need to take. I think that the trade is gonna go there. I think that the market is gonna go to the level because we are not Nostradamus. The price can go easily only until there, and after that, take the stop loss. Like here, I know and I thought that the trade is gonna go to the Asia high, but first I took the stop loss and after that went straight up without me. So yeah, emotional trades there and FOMO, like oh my God, it's going without me to the Asia high. Also yes, the same. You see, try one time, second time, entering the fair value gap each time, but here did not touch the fair value gap, went straight to the upside. Crazy, absolutely crazy. And look at the sometimes the market is playing with us. Look at the 1 hour candle there. Look at the close upside and this one also. 15 minutes close only above the Asia, and this was the first one. No, sorry, this one. This one also close above. Second entry close above on the 5 minutes. And at the first setup on the 1 minute also this one close above. So in my mind I thought that okay, now we are going there, and after that I will take a short as well. But we need to wait only for high probability setups, which in my opinion it's short from the Asia high. Let me delete that one, also that one, and also gold. Look at gold. I waited all morning there for gold to touch the Asia high. So this boy went only through there, and after that started going lower without me. But now it's good because we have almost equal highs there, and maybe in the New York morning I'll have a swipe of the of that high. So let's wait. Imagine now how many people have their take profit there from this move. Okay, you put your take profit there and look at the market now. The algorithm know that people are trailing the stop losses because you can first you put your stop loss there. Yes. After that, market is moving to the upside. You trail your stop loss. I don't know, maybe there. After that, maybe there. Maybe after that, below that fair value gap, and you are stop out there. So the market is still playing with us in this morning. Uh, okay, I like that low. We can use that like a breaker and the market structure shift when if the price is gonna go to the downside. Okay, we have three more people. Welcome to the stream, guys. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe the stream, guys. And also, if you want some discount codes, you can find them on the top of the stream. Thank you very much. That was the promotion for this morning. Very short promotion. I still think that Apex it's 80%. Let me check. Maybe I have to change the discount code. Okay, so Apex 80% one more day, and BULENOX I think it's still at 90% discount. Uh, yes, so BULENOX still 90% discount code. Good, 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 good. Yeah, I finished with the promotion. Also, ES didn't touch the Asia high. So we also don't have an SMT there. Let's wait. There is gonna be a good time and setup to sell because we are above the blue line is the New York midnight open, and I like to sell above the midnight open. My coffee is over. Okay, more people put the stop loss there and they got stop out. Before that, long time ago, when I saw a clear level that the price is gonna go there, I tried to chase it. For example, you see that fair value gap? I put my limit there, stop loss there, take profit there. Like that, something like that. And I lose a lot, and a lot. Because I know in my mind, the price is gonna go there. And but it's not an A plus setup. What is this shit? See? Stop out immediate in 1 second, 2 minutes actually there. So no. That's why we need to take only A plus setups, no emotional setup. This is a very emotional setup there. Because the risk reward is good. 141. If you risk, I don't know, $400, you can make there something like almost $600 with one small trade. Any trades, guys, from you today? It's anyone long in this move? Because I think, yes, exactly. On the 5 minutes, this looks like the perfect move to the upside. Usually, I don't like to see first the Asia low swiped because the power of free of ICT is teaching us that we have a consolidation, okay, and we are waiting a swipe of this consolidation and market structure shift, okay, fair value gap, maybe there, let's say, and after that, go to the next level, which is in this example, let's say the yesterday low. But today we have the consolidation. This is a small swipe of the consolidation and price start to go higher, which to be honest with you, I don't like it because I like to see the consolidation, swipe to the upside, and after that go lower because overall we are bearish. Overall we are bearish on the 15 minutes time frame because if we check the weekly time frame, we touch that fair value gap and last week we moved higher. So we have another touch of that fair value gap and let's see. Oh my god, to be honest with you, I'm quite sad because I got stop out there because I knew that the price is gonna go up there. In this example, I was the perfect type of liquidity. Okay, so people like me are the liquidity. We still have time, another 1 hour. Today is 8th of October. So shift delete. Yes. Okay, so this account is still in a very small profit. Uh, it's not gonna be hard to pass the challenge. It's hard to keep the account because before that I blow a funded accounts. But now because I live stream, I'm trying to stick to the rules. But there I didn't stick to the rules. Actually, the NQ did the dirty move there. There and there. Look at the displacement, market structure shift, everything is good. Stop out there, stop out there. A lot of people enter long there. and after that went straight higher. Sometimes when I see a big candle like that, in my mind I'm trying to enter long directly there. But what if the third candle is going to fill the gap and is going down? So I missed the entry there and I got stop out there. Okay, still dancing there. Gold looks like shit today. Nice candle on the 15 minutes, but close above those two equal highs. So I still think that the price is gonna go to the Asia high. Nice level, by the way, 20,030. Looks a little bit psychological level. And also we went from 19 to the 20, so 20k, yes. We are in a psychological level. Maybe that's why we are consolidating like that. So on gold, no trade for me this morning. That that is gonna be the London high. I note that for the New York morning session because I hope that the gold is gonna go there, swipe London and Asia high, and drop down. Maybe I will have a bigger risk reward there. I don't know. Let's see. Okay, so I have another free subscribers. Welcome, guys. I don't know why my alert is not working. So thank you for subscribing, guys, in this morning. I really don't know why my alert is not working. I will try to solve it uh, after the session. No trades for you, Adriana, today. For me, I had trades, but I got stop out there, and look at this shitty move. So I got my stop loss was there because I have everything to go long until the Asia high, but the Nasdaq took me out, and after that go long. I'm a little bit sad, but because I knew that in my mind we're gonna go to the Asia high, or I don't know. Actually, my first take profit was there, So TP1 hit, waiting for TP2. But as I said earlier, uh, this is the type of trade of emotional trades, because overall we are bearish, and I'm trying to catch the reversal, the pullback until the Asia high. Because I thought, and I'm thinking that the price is gonna go there. Maybe it's not going there. Maybe it's going to the downside and no trades for me today. You know, that's why I have to stick with the rules. Stick with the rules, because the strategy is very good. I only have to stick with the rules. And by the way, Adriana, it's good because no trades for you today. It's actually very good. Okay, now we are going for the Asia. I hope so. Also, ES is going there. Gold, not a chance. We were very close. DXY maybe is going down. Yes, we have a push to the downside. That's why maybe we had that candle to the upside. Uh, Later I will post my loss there, because I want to show to the people that sometimes because of emotion we are losing. Actually, because of emotion we are losing almost every time, but this is another chapter. Okay, this consolidation actually looks good, because we can go up to swipe the consolidation and after that go down. So let's wait. It's actually quite hard to predict the bias. We enter in that daily fair value gap, went lower, but after that we enter in that weekly fair value gap and start to go higher. So we are between in those two fair value gaps, and we will start to consolidate here. On the smaller time frame, this is not a problem, because we can catch the moves like this one, for example. You see, nice. There was a nice move, but I didn't. My order didn't get filled there. Okay, going down. Okay, so worst the worst scenario in this situation is for the price to start to consolidate here until 5 o'clock when I stop trading. After that, the price maybe will go to swipe the London high and also the Asia high, and after that go lower without me, and will let me only with a losing session today. So I hope not. Okay, we have a bullish flag on DXY. This guy is going down to fill, I think, this fair value gap and maybe go up. I don't know, something that's in my mind. Look at the 1 hour chart. Oh my god. Still waiting. Okay, we have another 50 minutes to see a swipe there. Also, let me mark that high. Maybe we will go also to swipe that equal high there. Let's check ES. No, yes, it's alright with only with that level. No, still waiting. Another ugly move. So today only ugly moves. So beautiful levels down there and up there, but look at the price. Look how close was to touch the Asia high. Unbelievable. Okay, still going down. Let's wait. Let's wait for that swipe. I have another 45 minutes to see the swipe and the setup. Hey guys, you still there? Any trades from you? Because I'm starting to get sleepy because of that consolidation there. Still waiting for those levels to be swept. Adriana, no trades. Very good, Adriana. You are the best. You are the best because you are sticking with your rules. Come on, boy. No, doesn't want to swipe the. Look how close was there. This is absolutely crazy. So the high of that candle is 27.5. So 2 points and 2.5 points exactly. That was a shitty move there from Nasdaq. Also another one there. So price today it's absolutely horrible in my opinion. We pump up without touching the fair value gap. Another two setups there. It didn't work because this boy, swept the lows. After that, go up without fill my water there. And when people, because the people have the stop losses there, price starts to going lower to uh, because there are a lot of trailing stop losses in this move. No, no volume at the moment. Also, look how beautiful was gold. This this move. Imagine how many people enter enter long in this leg, and look at the price. He's jumping. He's jumping down. Okay, finally we have kind of push to the upside. Salut Flavius, ce faci Flavius? Bă, n-a mers bine, m-a păcălit puțin. Mi-am pus de dimineață, am văzut de dimineață că suntem bearish, am așteptat toată dimineața să mi se ia Asia high și când mi s-a luat Asia low, aici și aici, am intrat long și m-a scos și după a luat o razna în sus. Și ce crezi, am avut limită și aici și nu m-a filuit, s-a dus direct sus. Și planul inițial era să aștept să mi se ia astea două limite și după să dau short. Deci am intrat eu long. Nu știu. Tu ce faci? Sorry guys from Romania speaking here. Flavius, it's my buddy from my country. How are you, Flavius? So still waiting for the Asia high. Okay, I'm back. Sorry, my internet connection went down. Okay, de-abia te-ai trezit. Mai bine, Flavius, că de-abia te-ai trezit. The live stream is back. Yes, I think I'm back again. Good. Guys, don't forget to subscribe and like the stream. This was the small promotion. Only this one. Okay, so and another small promotion. If you need discounts for the app Apex and BULENOX, you can find on top of the stream. Okay, that was the promotion for this morning. No more promotion for 20. I was waiting in this morning for gold to swipe that Asia high, and after that I want to sell there. But look at that. Look at that move. It went straight down without me. My final TP was there, the Asia low. So I'm not lucky today. And also I lost there. Wait, you see that move and also that. I know that in my mind we will go to the upside to solve the liquidity there and maybe we'll go down. And I tried to go long and I got stop out there. And after that price went straight up and my limit order was there, exactly at the top of the fair value gap. But the price said, no, sorry George, not today, man. So it's not today for me. But we are still in profit with the account, so it's good. it's good. We have to stick to the rules. Another free subscribers in this morning. Thank you for subscribe, guys. I don't know why my subscribe alert is not working, so I want to thank you for subscribe. It is very nice from you. Imagine how many people went long from that fair value gap. I told you before, I used to do a lot of this type of sheets to enter long there, take profit there, and stop loss the first swing. And every time, almost every time, I got stop out. And also another mistake long time ago, I'm happy because I saved a long time ago, was to don't when the to move my stop loss. I tried to move the stop loss, and after that cancel the stop loss, and the price breach the account because I say no, it's impossible for the price to don't touch the Asia high. Look how close it was, right? No, sometimes maybe from this move we go down with the trend. So please use only A plus setups. Only A plus setups. I hate when I don't follow my rules. I hate that. Oh, three people in the stream. Welcome, guys. Welcome, my friend. I know that Flavius, Adriana, you are always here with me, and thank you for that. Also, Sinkov is coming sometimes. I didn't forget you, man. Thank you, Adriana. Okay, imagine how many people enter long from this leg and look at this shitty price action stop out there. Now another move to the upside, which I really don't want to enter there because overall we are bearish, and I'm waiting for the New York morning session to swipe the London high and the Asia high, and after that go lower. Okay, we have a nice push to the upside, but it's not for me. I really don't want to risk anymore today. Uh, if I will take a stop loss, let's say I will enter short when we have the swipe there. Okay, I'm not sad when I take the stop loss and I follow my rules. I'm not sad. I try to find where is the problem. Maybe okay, we have not I don't know, a fair value gap there which we try to fill. I don't know, things like that. But when I take stop loss like this one earlier, for example, and price move upside, like I said. Yes, it's make me sad because I'm stupid and I don't follow the rules. And you, let's say you have seven rules for your entry. Yes, there six from seven rules were met. So I had there six from seven rules. But the only problem was the bias. The bias was bearish, and I entered long. I entered long there for sake. Okay, for easy we are entering in the last half of hour for this session. Another 30 minutes. Still waiting for a short setup there because we are above the New York Midnight Open. The blue line is the New York Midnight Open, 84.75, and the price on the 15 minutes you can see we have a crazy consolidation there, and I'm waiting for the price to solve the liquidity there. Also, let's mark this 15 minutes fair value gap there. It's a bearish fair value gap. Let's check the 1 hour and also the 5 minutes. Okay, so the 15 minutes it's alright there. But I hope in the worst scenario, as I told you, this will start to consolidate until 5 p.m. and after that, because I'm not trading, the price will go to swipe the liquidity and go lower without me. And it's gonna leave me with a losing session today. To be honest with you, I didn't have a losing session from maybe 2 weeks or something like that. So in the last 2 weeks, I did it great. So sometimes we have to understand that we lose. So we have to move on and learn from our mistakes. The account is still in profit, so it's alright. So this one is only playing with us because we don't have SMT. You see that we have a high and a higher low. Also there we have a high and a higher low. So higher high, higher low on both. So I don't see the reason for this one to go down. Only those two relative equal highs. But the setups, it's absolutely horrible there to go short. Oh, Flavio, say hi to Adriana. Nice, nice push to the upside there. But I still don't want to go long on gold today because there we still have the target, and also there is the weekly fair value gap. Now if we go to the weekly, I think we will go there, and after that push again to the all-time high. Okay, that's a beautiful close of the 15 minutes, but still no for me. Look at that fair value gap, and with a beautiful displacement, market sector shift. I think yes, we swept that low, and another people who enter along there, another stop loss. We have another swipe of the liquidity, and maybe now we will go higher. But I want to go only short from that level. So let's wait. I still think that yes, another 25 minutes. I like this push to the upside for gold. It's exactly, you see this push on the nasdaq, the fair value gap is not filled. Okay, maybe this small one, but and it's trying to take the highs, and after that maybe it's going lower. And I hope that gold is doing this kind of manipulation there to go there to swipe. You see a lot of liquidity there, not only the London and Asia. Look there, a lot of highs there, and I hope this one is going there, and after that we sell and go to the next level. I cannot believe that we are not going there in the next 25 minutes, 20 minutes actually, because we also need time to for the setup to complete. Look at ES, how many equal lows there? One, two, three. And also this one is relative equal lows. Also that one. So it is possible for this guy to go lower, swipe the liquidity, the internal liquidity, after that go long, swipe the external liquidity from there, and after that go lower again for the internal liquidity. But it's not going in this session. It's unbelievable. How many people have their take profit there? No, it's absolutely horrible. It's horror. This consolidation, it's killing my patience. Okay, so the 50% of that move it's at the New York midnight open. Maybe after touching the midnight New York open and also that fair value gap, we'll go to our levels. Oh my god, look at gold. Oh my god. I know that a lot of people when they see something like that, they enter long without a pullback. If you don't like to enter in fair value gaps, guys, or things like that, no order blocks, breaker blocks, inversion fair value gaps, use at least a fib and look for the discount zone and enter below that zone. If you want to go long, enter from there. It's safer because this is only a manipulation, from my opinion. You see a lot of highs there, but I hope this one is going to the discount and after that go to our levels because I really want to go short today on gold. Very boring market now. Another 17 minutes. I don't know if I will stream tomorrow London session because the after that is no way for me to trade. I'm still thinking about that. Hmm. Oh, 15 views today. Thank you guys. So more people are coming in the stream, which is great. Also, if you want, you can leave in the chat your ideas for the day. Maybe you can find some levels. We can share some knowledges there. My idea of setup for today was to swipe those two highs levels and after that go short. But because sometimes I'm stupid, I don't follow my rules. I try to enter long from there and from there, and I lose with that move. Um, and after that, the price went straight up, which is sad, but this is happening when you don't follow the rules. Trading is not very easy. Okay, another 15 minutes for this session. Maybe we still have time to swipe the high. Let's see. Okay, nice push from ES. We also have a breaker there, you see that candle. So maybe now it's the time. Maybe now is the time for our trade. Gold. So Flavius is asking if he's going to 2.6k. 2.6k, which is a psychological level. I don't know, Flavius. In my opinion, we are going in this weekly fair value gap. So 2.638. You see, we have the weekly fair value gap there, and that is my target for this week. Because if we go to on the weekly, we have that weekly fair value gap, and be careful if you target the 2.6k level. It is possible for the price to go only in this weekly fair value gap and jump again to the all-time high. So it's a risky move, in my opinion, to go all the way down there. For at the moment, I think we will go only first to that low, and also after that to the weekly fair value gap. So be careful with your trades. Okay, so Nasdaq still didn't take the Asia high. Oh my god, what is this, guys? I like the consolidation, but you can do it before the session, like here in the Asia session, not now. No trade, just analyze. Yes, so this is my analyze for gold. 260 is kind of far away, and gold is like it's likes a lot to go only up. You see, so don't try to short gold too much with the swing trades. Maybe it's better to short gold with in the daily sessions or things like that. It, because also on the daily, you see, we have a daily fair value gap there. So there is a weekly bullish fair value gap, also a daily fair value gap. And if you put a fib from that leg to that leg, also that fair value gap is in discount. So it's a lot of probability to jump from that fair value gap to go back to the all-time high. There is very risky. Let me check that leg also. Okay, so on this leg we went back in the discount and moved high. That's why I think uh, we now we are going easy peasy to the discount zone there and jump higher. But also 2600, yes, 200 600, it's also in this move, but the fair value gaps there are very dangerous, the weekly and the daily. Mm. Okay, so on ES we have perfect equal highs there, and the price will go there, but not now. I think it's going without me. Oh my god. On the 4 hours, sorry, I was in ES. On the 4 hours I don't see nothing for short. Also on the daily, on 1 hour, the only thing to go short is to swipe that liquidity to on the upside. Maybe touch the new week opening gap and after that go lower. But now I think this is only a manipulation to the upside. Okay, I think ES is almost there. Okay, another equal high for ES there, that candle, which is absolutely crazy. On Nasdaq, in my opinion, is the time on the daily chart, if you see, because we are in a very big premium. I have to go back in the discount at 19,400 level there, the daily fair value graph. I think that will drop a lot, and that from after that from there, oops, from there we will go again to the all-time high. So this year, in the next few months, I'm still bullish overall. I think after we touch that daily fair value gap, we will go high, but it's we have a lot of price action between those two levels. Three equals highs for ES, almost the fourth one, yeah. So almost four equal highs for ES. I like gold now on the 15 minutes. I like this consolidation. Also gold, if we put a fib, it's back in the discount. You see, we have a fair value gap there, and now it's possible to start go lower. So careful with the longs now on gold. Who wants to go long to target the Asia high, it's a little bit dangerous. Because also we are in this 15 minutes fair value gap, so it's not safe. Ugly session for me. I have that stop loss there, and my target it has almost hit, but without me, and is going there after 5 o'clock, also without me. But I'm waiting for the New York session to go up again, maybe in that fair gap, and I will sell. But I still keep in my mind that we touch again that weekly fair value gap. So that's why let's wait a little bit more. 1 hour candle looks bullish. I hope that this candle is gonna swipe the liquidity from one of those two levels and retrace a little bit, because this one is gonna close in 3 minutes very bullish, very bullish. Also there is the high of this session, the London session, and we are almost took it. So if this one doesn't want to go now there to the upside, I hope that we start to consolidate there until the New York morning session. But it's hard. I think it's really hard for the price to don't go there. Okay guys, so no time for a new setup for me. I call it now at 5 o'clock. I'm waiting you in the New York morning session. Thank you for joining me, and please don't like and subscribe. Okay, thank you very much guys. That was for this session. See you later. Okay.